How to find your PIN in Roblox.
Hi everyone, I am Eva. I'm here to guide you every step of the way. So, are you ready to dive in? Then let's get started.
So first of all, open the Roblox app. After you open it, just click on the more option on the bottom right corner of your screen. Scroll down and click on help and safety. And again click on help. Search for I forgot the PIN. After you click on I forgot the PIN, just click on contact form. Fill in your contact information. Describe the issue of forgetting your PIN and submit. It may take 12 to 48 hours for Roblox to reply, but you'll eventually recover your PIN. So yeah, that's it for this video. If you liked this video, then please hit that like button and subscribe for more.